Good day, Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. We are in Happy Valley, Oregon, doing some green carpet cleaning in Happy Valley. But what we're going to be doing today is basically 4 areas that we're going to be cleaning up. We're going to begin with our vacuum, but also additionally what I'm going to be doing is verifying some tricks to increase the airflow of our vacuum hose. Some of you guys, carpet cleaners out there, have got strong enough trucks that you don't even need to even be concerned with maximizing your equipment. However, there are plenty of us that like to squeeze out every last bit that we possibly can, and what that does is it allows carpets to dry much more quickly because you're extracting as much of the moisture from the carpet as it possibly can. So to be within that 2 to 4 hour range of carpets drying really is the ideal place to be. Typically they won't be bone dry for 12 to 24 hours. That's just the nature of carpets and drying. So anybody saying that their carpet's dried in an hour is lying, because that's not totally true. It might be true in the case that you can begin putting furniture and things back down on the carpeting, but as far as it being bone dry, it's going to take probably 12 to 48 hours for it to be completely bone dry. But we're going to go ahead and begin with our pre-vacuum here, just to get as much of that loose, abrasive, loose, dry debris from the carpeting as we possibly can. With a good vacuum, you are able to pick up nearly 80% or more of that debris out of the carpeting before you even begin steam cleaning, which ultimately just turns all that stuff to mud anyways. You add water to dirt and it turns to mud.